Abby, what were you and Daddy just doing?
What? Washing tadpoles? Frogs?
They were seeing the water. They didn't come yet, did they? The frogs and stuff didn't come yet to breed.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little early. There's still ice on there, ain't there?
Yeah.
What else do you think?
They're in the pond.
Is that where they have their babies?
Yeah, yes.
They have lots of babies?
Yeah.
How many babies do you think?
Just 5.
Just 5? Someone can have lots. Like 1,000. You know how many that is?
What?
You know how many 1,000 is?
100.
Lots.
Yeah, I said 100.
Lots is more than 100, honey.
21.
Oh, more than 21.
32.
More than 32.
50.
50? More than 50?
60.
More than 60?
17.
More.
19.
More.
15. 102.
100? No, more than that.
103.
What do you see over there?
I'm trying to see that.
You see any birds?
I saw that. Like, look it.
Huh?
Look away on the pond. You see it? It's like a skeleton. No, it's right
Right here?
Yeah, it's right there.
Yeah, it's the log.
Yeah, something on it. Sounds like a lily.
Wetlands are so important for amphibians to breed, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, they need them because this is where they have babies, and the babies turn into tadpoles, and they live in the water.
That's
Right?
stick in this wood.
We're getting sung to by a bunch of red-winged blackbirds. That's pretty cool, ain't it, Abby? Huh?
Yeah.
You heard them?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, by him.
Good job with the thumb flipper, Ed.